the first person I listened to. I heard it off an old record player at my Nana and Grandpa's house, singing Hound Dog. Yes, it was Mr. Elvis Presley. And then I saw him on the TV, shaking his hips. I really don't care if those songs are stolen. All I really care about is that was the man who taught me how to sing every day. That was the first man who taught me how to sing. After that, it was my grandpa who bought me my first two-stick guitar. And then it was burning flames. And then it was replaced by this one, given to me by my friend Mike Curry when he was murdered and beaten with canes. Ain't that some shit? Now every time I play this acoustic guitar, I've been to him, and I still been to my grandpa as well. And every time I see Elvis on the TV, I'm thinking of my nana and my grandpa's favorite singer. That's how it always goes. And after my grandpa would watch an Elvis movie, he would smoke a cigarette, and I would tell him to stop. But he never did quit smoking until he was 80. His lungs were probably white and blue, and he got lung cancer. And he died at the age of 85. We all know my grandpa's story. He fell out of his coffin. I still miss him to this very day. My Nana died in a nursing home. I still miss her as well. I hope they're both up in heaven together. And I'm still singing music like this. Their grandson, the big bad wolf. Howl! And you know this ain't no country shit, 'cause country music does sad. And I'm still playing the blues because my Nana and Grandpa are gone, and my Grammy's gone, and my Grampy's gone. I'm still playing the blues, even nursing my grandpa. My Grampy told terrible jokes. Yeah, I'm still playing the blues. Yeah, and you know my grandma and my Nana always made such damn kick-ass food, but I'm still playing the blues. And werewolf stories will be coming out less than 2 weeks. It will probably come out, and I'll probably have those CDs all this 2025 is my best guess of werewolf stories, so we can all trade. But I'll still be playing the blues about all my I'll always still be playing the blues, says Uncle Wolf. About my Grampy being gone, and my Grammy and my Nana being gone, and my Grandpa being gone, and Mr. Josh Brown, and whose slave is a wolf, Mr. Josh Brown, and his tough as 9-inch nails, yeah. And always still be playing the blues. And I wish I could see him pop Mr. Justin Bowers in the face one more time. That asshole, Mr. Josh Brown. Oh, but what a pity he's gone.